There's the window here. Didn't see the window. It's all, I'm good. I'm good. All good. Ah! Still a window here. Still window. My bad. I'm sorry. Read your book. Ah, my hollow bones.
Every bird ever.
Oh, dude, I saw that new movie with Channing Tatum.
Who?
Channing Tatum, you know, from Magic Mike.
Who?
He was in 21 Jump Street.
Who?
Channing Tatum. He's like the sexiest guy in Hollywood.
I'm just playing with you. I love Channing Tatum. It was great in Thor.
That's Chris Hemsworth.
Who?
Every bird ever.
Oh my God, Barbara, look at Trisha. Oh my God. I love that necklace. Right, it's gorgeous.
Help me. I'm dying.
I love the new look. I am so jealous. For real, that necklace is to die for.
Woohoo, woohoo.
Get out of the way. Go, fly.
And look at me. I'm a pigeon.
Go, fly.
Walking like a human.
If I wasn't a member of PETA, I would run you over.
Not me. I'm a human. Flying
Go.
stupid. That's stupid for birds to
Go,
do.
get out.
Let's go this way, maybe. Oh, no. Let's go this way.
Why do they call them bald eagles? They have feathers.
999, 1,000. Ready or not, here I come. This game isn't fun. I can clearly see you.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
That's impossible. I am clearly underground.
Quote the raven, nevermore.
Ooh, what's up, ladies?
Oh, God, you're cute. That's a pretty bird.
Why, hello, ladies.
Oh, look at the feathers. Beautiful.
Step aside, losers. The peacock has arrived. You're welcome, ladies. That's right. I am the sexiest goddamn bird on the...
Well, there goes my vegan card.
Wow. He's so beautiful. Wait, what? You just took my baby. I'm a free woman. Hey, girl, I ain't got no kids. Let's hit up the club. Oh! Never mind, girl. I'm a mom again. Got responsibilities and stuff.
Flebbly bird ever.
Wow! Flying is so much fun, I love it!
It's the best way to get around. I can go on vacation anytime I want.
You said it. I feel so relaxed up here and so free.
Can you imagine being one of those flightless birds? What an awful life.
Hey, I know I'm just a penguin and I can't fly, but I can still hear and feel. And you hurt my feelings.
Oh, poop.
Every bird ever. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Click the box on the left to watch deleted scenes and bloopers. And if you want to check us out in more ridiculous costumes, watch Every Dog Ever by clicking the box on the right. All right, I'll see you next time.